coming into this time of the year, during winter time, they start to hibernate. So he needs to be versatile. He'll hunt insects, he'll hunt small birds, just about anything. Now, this little brown falcon, you can see, is not completely brown. He's got lots of other his colour variation can vary quite a lot. So if you're looking for a brown falcon, you don't just look for a brown bird. Look for a bird who's usually perched on a nice little high point on the fence post on the branch, and basically look waiting for those coyotes to come out. Look for those long bare legs. These act much like sunglasses to help them block the sun's rays. But if you're looking for not just a brown falcon, but any of our falcon species, look for the shape of the wings. Check him out as he flies off. He's got beautiful blade-like wings which come down to a fine point, which is quite different from this bird here. Falcons, they're designed for speed, agility, and high maneuverability. Like whistling kites, other sorts of kite species that are designed for soaring up on the thermal. So we've got whistling kite out here, we've got a couple of flat kites still hanging around, and you can see they sort of cut quite differently. They cruise around up in the air, and basically on the big broad wings, find themselves a nice thermal, and cruise around, looking for small birds or insects and catch them straight from the air. Very energy efficient way to go about hunting. It means you have to stop and land every time you find yourself some food. You can just grab that food into your talons, pop them up into your mouth. But as you can see, the sky is not just a limit for a bird like the whistling kite, because he's an active hunter. He can spot himself a little dragon sunning itself on the ground. And basically swoop on down, snap it up with those talons. Oh, you dropped it. There you go, buttercups over there. And carry on. Now, this is a really good thing to be able to do, because for a